Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take beauty products seriously, but we also know how to have a little fun with them. Today, we're talking about something that may not get the spotlight often, but is essential in any grooming routine. We're diving into the Tweezerman Essential Grooming Kit. Now, I know grooming tools don't always have the glam factor that skincare or makeup products do, but trust me, if you want flawless brows, smooth skin, and perfectly manicured nails, this set has got you covered. So let's get into what makes this kit worth a second look. The Tweezerman Essential Grooming Kit isn't just a collection of random tools. It's a carefully curated selection of high-quality grooming essentials, designed to tackle a range of tasks with precision. Included in the kit, you get the Tweezerette, which is great for handling those pesky ingrown hairs or splinters. The facial hair scissors are sharp and perfect for trimming fine facial hair, whether you're shaping your brows or just cleaning up the edges. The fingernail clipper features a curved blade, giving you control over nail trimming, while the multi-use nail tool serves as a file to keep your nails in perfect shape. All of these tools are made with stainless steel, ensuring durability and ease of cleaning, which is always a plus in the grooming world. Plus, it all comes in a handy carry case, so you can keep your tools clean, organized, and protected, whether you're at home or on the go. Now let's talk about how these tools perform in real-life use. I started with the Tweezerette, and let me tell you, it's incredibly precise. It made removing ingrown hairs a breeze. No pinching or tugging, just smooth, effortless removal. When it comes to the facial hair scissors, I was really impressed by how sharp they were. These aren't your average drugstore scissors. They have that high-quality sharpness that makes trimming fine facial hair, or even stray eyebrow hairs, a walk in the park. The curved nail clipper is another standout. No more jagged nail edges. The curvature of the blade gives you more control, allowing you to shape your nails exactly how you want them. And of course, the multi-use nail tool rounds it all out with a smooth filing action. The tools feel solid in your hand, and they do the job without unnecessary effort. There's a lot to love here, but like with most things, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First off, this isn't a full set for heavy-duty tasks like pedicures or deep skincare treatments. It's designed for basic, everyday grooming, and in that sense, it excels. However, if you're looking for a more specialized tool for larger jobs, like thick toenail clippers or more intricate skincare tools, this set might feel a bit limited. As for the value for money, at the price point, this kit offers excellent quality. Tweezerman is known for their precise craftsmanship, and it shows here. These tools should last you a long time if you take care of them, and the fact that you're getting such high-quality stainless steel in a compact kit makes it a good investment, especially for anyone looking to keep their grooming routine minimal but effective. Comparing it to other grooming kits on the market, Tweezerman does stand out. While there are plenty of budget-friendly options, they often fall short when it comes to durability and precision. You can find cheaper kits, but in terms of longevity and functionality, Tweezerman's tools are built to last. The build quality of these tools is top-notch. Stainless steel is always a winner in the beauty world, and these tools are no exception. The carry case is also a nice touch for keeping everything in order. Since the tools are designed for longevity, you can expect them to withstand regular use, and they'll stay sharp and functional for quite a while. In terms of customer support, Tweezerman has a solid reputation for standing behind their products. If you ever have an issue, their customer service is responsive and helpful, which is a reassuring factor when investing in grooming tools that you'll rely on daily. While there haven't been any major updates to the product, it's always a good idea to keep an eye out for new Tweezerman releases. They're known for releasing updated or enhanced versions of their tools every now and then. And who knows, something might come along that fits your needs even better. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, there are other grooming kits available that offer similar tools at a lower price point. However, when it comes to precision and durability, Tweezerman sets the bar high. If you're not ready to invest in this kit, you could look into brands like Revlon or Seiki Edge, but again, they might not offer the same long-term performance. So what's the final verdict? The Tweezerman Essential Grooming Kit is a great choice for anyone who wants a reliable, high-quality grooming set for daily use. It's particularly useful for fine facial hair, ingrown hairs, and basic nail care. If you're looking for a full-blown manicure-pedicure set, this might not have everything you need, but for a straightforward, effective grooming kit, it's definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.